Hello everyone, this video is about CRM Sales Multi Assignees in Odoo apps. So this module will help to assign module enhance the sales order functionality in Odoo by introducing the ability to assign multiple users to the sales order. The module includes a new many-to-many field called assignees, allowing multiple users to be linked to sale order. It also ensures the seamless data flow from lead to sales order, making it easier to manage and track who is responsible for what during the sales process. Additionally, assigned users are automatically added as the followers to the sale order and can view the order as they are assigned to. So now we go into the CRM and we go into the my pipeline and we will create a new pipeline going into the list view and I'm creating a new pipeline. Let's suppose I'm giving name of bulk order. So I'm giving a name need quotations for the bulk orders and we will add a contract name over here. Let's go with the Azure Interior. Then we will click assignees and here I am assigning the joy bills and the mark demo. After doing this, we will save this and we'll click on the new quotation and the quotation is created. And we'll save this quotation. After saving this quotation, here in the, you can see in the following joy wheels and the mark demo is automatically added, and once we go into the other info tab, here also in the assignees joy wheel and the mark demo is assigned. And now we will see if this order is automatically fetched into the sales with the same assignees. So the order number is S0002. Now we go into the sales and here you can see the quotation for that, and we go into the other info and over here you can see assignees are automatically added, and here also the multi assignees are added. And we can also see right now we have seen as a Michelle admin, and let's suppose we will log in through the Mark demo and let's see if Mark can see this assignees or not. We will log in with the Mark and again we go into the sales and we remove the filter, and here you can see the order which we have created as 002. We go on the order, we go into the other info and here you can see Mark is also able to see the assignees, who is the assignees, as we have assigned the Mark demo for the same sales. And here you can see also Joy Wills and the Michelle is also added. Mark can see. So this is how we can see for joy bills also. So this module is all about the multi assign salesperson assignees. So if you have any doubt regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.